Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 5. Use the diagram below to answer question 5. Now this is the diagram given to us. This is the diagram, and this diagram is a diagram representing what? An open stoma, or you can call it a stomata. Yes, it's still correct, an open stoma, because this is a stomata pore, and look at it, it's an open stoma. Now the question says what? We should use this diagram to answer this question, and the question says the part labeled 3 is the. Now this is the part labeled 3. Let's trace it. This is the part labeled 3. So is the what? A says cellular cell wall, B says chloroplast, C says guard cell, D says nucleus, and E says stoma. Like I said this is diagram illustrate what? An open stoma or open stomata. And like we know, this open stomata or a stomata or stoma regulates the exchange of gases in plants. Regulates the exchange of gases in plants. When it opens, what gases are even exchanged, and when it closes, no gas is what is exchanged. So this is an open stoma because the stomata pore is open. Now to know what this I represents, we have to what? Label this diagram. Now labeling this diagram, I represents the chloroplast. I represents the chloroplast. This is it. These are the chloroplasts. II represents the outer thin wall. The outer thin wall. So this is II representing what? The outer thin wall. Look at it. Now III, which is 3, represents the nucleus. It represents the nucleus, and this is it. And this is the question we are asked for. That the part labeled III is known as the nucleus. Now IV is the guard cell. IV are the guard cell. These are the cells that regulate what? The opening and closing of the stomata. They are specialized cells. They regulate the opening and closing of the stomata. Then V is the word stomata pore. V is the stomata pore, and that is why we say it's an open stomata, because the pore is open. The stomata pore. But the question says the part labeled 3 III is the nucleus. The nucleus. So option D is the correct answer. The nucleus. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos.